Process modeling from event logs is one of the most controversial topics in technology today. Everyone wants data-driven insights, but the tools are either too manual or impossibly complex. In this video, you'll learn how to automatically discover accurate process models without any prior knowledge. Let's start with why this is such a persistent problem. In the technology industry, business processes are incredibly complex and dynamic. Think about software development life cycles, IT service management, or cloud deployment pipelines. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. These processes generate massive event logs, but traditional analysis methods fall short. Generic data mining tools aren't built for process discovery. They miss the temporal relationships and causal dependencies that define a workflow. The real challenge is that manual modeling is slow and biased, while automated tools often require PhD-level expertise to configure. This creates a huge bottleneck for digital transformation and compliance efforts. So how does GenerateModels solve this? It uses a scientific approach based on advanced process mining and machine learning algorithms. The key concept is that it doesn't need a predefined template or domain knowledge. Instead, it analyzes the event log sequence and frequency to infer the true process flow. It identifies patterns, concurrency, loops, and decision points automatically. A common misconception is that this is just about drawing flowcharts. It's much more. It's about discovering the actual, as-executed process, which often differs dramatically from the ideal. Now, let's look at what the software specifically does. GenerateModels ingests your event logs in common formats like XES or CSV. It first cleans and structures the data. Then it establishes baselines by detecting the main activities and their relationships. The core calculation involves applying algorithm suites to construct a process model that balances fitness, precision, simplicity, and generalization. Every step is documented in an audit trail, which is crucial for compliance. You can also run scenario modeling by simulating changes to the event log to see how the process model would adapt. This helps in what-if analysis for process improvement. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Imagine a technology company's incident management process. The event log contains data like ticket creation time, assignment group, resolution time, and closure status. GenerateModels would ingest this log. It would identify key activities such as ticket logged, assigned to team, in progress, and resolved. It might discover that 30% of tickets loop back from in progress to assigned due to escalations. The output model visually shows this bottleneck. By adjusting variables like average handling time or team allocation in a scenario, the software can generate a new model predicting reduced loopbacks by 15%. This provides measurable insight without making any performance claims. For compliance and reporting, GenerateModels generates detailed reports automatically. These reports are designed for stakeholder readability, with clear visuals and summaries. They align with regulatory frameworks by providing traceable evidence of process discovery. This is essential for audits in regulated technology sectors. In summary, GenerateModels offers a seamless, accurate, and compliant way to discover process models from event logs. It saves time, reduces subjectivity, and empowers data-driven decisions.